Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we know about the cubes of number 1 to 15. Cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216, cube of 7 is 343, cube of 8 is 512, cube of 9 is 729, cube of 10 is 1000, cube of 11 is 1331, cube of 12 is 1728, cube of 13 is 2197, cube of 14 is 2744, cube of 15 is 3375. थैंक यू। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।